Hi everybody, it's me again, and now I'm going to present you exercise 12 from the Python quiz that is on Canvas. So let's begin. This is the exercise, and again, like the previous time, I have prepared a small Excel sheet on which I can perform the desk check. So let's read the exercise. The Python program below receives three numbers as arguments and returns their sum after applying a rule to remove some numbers of the calculation. The rule is unknown to us, but we can have the source, and this is the source code. Let's check the Python program above using the inputs below and mark the option that has the correct list of results to the following calls to this function. And so let's start like the previous time. This is the first call, lonesome, with 1, 2, and 3. So again, I start on line 0. This is my first iteration, and I have written the variables a, b, and c. In that case, they are 1, 2, and 3. So let's go. I have an if statement. The first if statement says if A equals to B and A equals to C, then I should return 0, but 1 is different than 2 and 1 is different than 3, so I proceed to the else if. The else if checks is A is equal to B. This is also not the case because 1 doesn't equal to 2. The next one checks if 1 equals to 3. Again, this is not the case. After that, it checks if 2 equals to 3, and again, this is not the case. So I go to the last one, and what the last one says, if A is different than B, and A is different than C, then I return the sum of the three numbers. And this is actually the case because 1 is different than 2 and 1 is different than 3. So my return value is going to be 1 plus 2 plus 3. So again, I have written this one in the steps in the Excel sheet. So I start on the first line, and because these else ifs are not the case, as well as the if, I directly move to line 9, where my if statement is true, and the return value is 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. So at the moment, I'm facing this answer because this is the only one that starts with C. But let's check one more time if this answer is the exact one we are looking for. So we are going to our second iteration. And here our A, B, and C values are 1, 5, and 1. In that case, A is equal to C, but A is not equal to B, so I move forward. A is not equal to B, so I again move forward. So on line 5, I have that A is equal to C, which is true because 1 equals to 1. And in that case, this else if statement returns true. So I'm going to return B, which is 5. So this is how you can proceed with that exercise. If you want as an exercise, you can continue that desk check to verify the other two answers. Thank you very much for your attention, and if you have more questions, don't hesitate to ask TAs or leave a comment.